Welcome to page 10. On this page, we're going to be calculating a markup, which is an amount that's added to the cost of an item, perhaps to make a profit. And once you add that markup, what is the final cost of that item? We're going to be using our tape diagrams, and we're going to be using the formula R times T equals P. You're responsible for completing problems 7, 8, and 9. Print the worksheet on your home printer, or you can use your notebook and copy the notes and the work down in your notebook. We're going to start with problem number 8 and look at that together. For number 8, we're asked to calculate a 120% markup, an amount that's going to be added on in dollars, on $80, and find the final cost. Let's get set up. Let's say we have a store and we purchase a piece of art for $80 from a local artist. That's 100% of what we have invested. That is the cost of the item. But we need to make a profit on this item. So we are going to add a markup. The cost of the item plus the markup, the amount of dollars we're going to add on, equals our final cost, or our retail price. Well, we don't know the dollar amount that's going to be added, but we do know it is at a rate of 120%. So if we take 100% plus 120, we're up to 220%. So let's convert all of our rates to their decimal form. Move the decimal twice on each of our rates. Think of it this way. For every original dollar we spend, we're going to add $1.20 to it so that we can make a profit. Well, let's calculate our markup, the amount we're going to add on to the wholesale price. Start with your formula. R times T equals P. We're going to use this rate to calculate the markup. 1.20 times $80. Take a moment, grab your calculator, or use your phone. The calculator can be found there as well. And multiply 1.20 times 80. That shows a $96 markup. So we're going to add on $96 to our cost. Take a moment. $80 plus the $96 markup we're going to be charging our customers, as we add these two together, $176 for the piece of art that we're selling in our store. So the final cost, $176. Your job now, showing your work, you have to create a tape diagram. Make sure you're labeling and organizing your information in your tape diagram first. Completing your tape diagram, step 1. Step 2, using the formula to calculate your markup. And step 3, adding your original total to the markup to get the final cost. Your job is to complete problem 7 and problem 9. Pause the video and complete these 2 problems. When you're done, you can check your work against the answer key that's been posted. This concludes page 10 on markup.